Alright guys, one last update on my DrumMania machine before I start working on my other games now. As you can see on the left side here, we have the e-amusement reader. So now if I were to put a credit in, oh come on, there we go.
DrumMania V8.
And then if I were to press start,
Insert your e-amusement pass.
and we'll go ahead and do that.
Input your PIN number. PIN number is correct.
It saves all your settings, you can make a profile, saves all your songs and everything good like that, so.
Select a game mode. Standard.
I'll show you real quick.
Select music.
Save scores. And then I'll show you, it saves my settings and everything too, so it's pretty handy to have your e-amusement pass if we gotta play here. So we got all that. And skill meter, of course. So yeah, come down to one of the big top and play DrumMania with your e-amusement pass now.